Welcome. In this video I'm going to be replacing the cabin air filter in this 2014 Subaru Forester. So I'll be using this EP Auto CP930 cabin air filter, and if you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. You need to open up the glove box and then you want to empty the contents out, and then we have this little shock thing here. We want to pull this off. Sometimes you need to use a little screwdriver to pop it off. So now we need to pop these little clips out. It's right here. So you want to push in on the glove box a little bit, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'll stick my hand back there and I'll pull it. So this one came out pretty easily. Now sometimes these clips will come out here and you'll have to put those back. So here's the cabin air filter opening. We'll pinch these and this should pull right out. Okay, we had a bunch of leaves in there. There were some leaves back here, so I'll reach in there. Obviously the car is off and I'll grab those leaves out of there. You could take a vacuum back there too. Now we'll get the filter out. It's in plastic. I'll open that up. It's pretty easy to tell how to orient this. Here's the old and the new filter. I'll go back here and I'll slide this in till it's clipped in. Now you see this hinge broke free. I'll just put that right on there, and then I'll hinge this up. I'll make sure it's moving easily, and I'll just kind of clip it into place. We'll come back to the side here. I'll take that little shock and I'll press it on there like so, and we're done. So that's how you replace the cabin air filter on a 2014 Subaru Forester. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.